Hello everyone, Dr. Lenz here to go over some research strategies as we get into our final project. This is going to be a research paper, and in semesters past I've instructed students to go to the library to find materials, but in the current situation that is not really possible. However, we have got access to wonderful online resources through our library. So start with the Del Mar website, the main page, and up in Viking Toolbox, get to the library, and from here we can get into what we're hoping for. Now, Beacon will search a lot of different databases, including the card catalog, the library holdings. So that's not really going to help us right now. We need to get to something very specific to help us navigate some search results and get good materials for our project. So come on down to A to Z databases. It's down the page a little bit and it's under Research Resources. Click on that. And here you will find a big list of databases that our library can look through. The best one for literature is called Jstor. J-S-T-O-R. So click on Jstor, and here's how. Try just a pretty basic search of Cisneros. We just read her book, Woman Hollering Creek, so lots of good stuff will come up. So actually, we have got almost 2,500 search results. And from here, what we need to do is be able to start to pare it down to what's important, what's going to be good, so on and so forth. So all of these filters on the left-hand side are going to be very useful. So book chapters, we can get rid of that because, well, we just read a book, but we need stuff written about Sandra Cisneros. So let's click on journals. And this will queue up just the academic journals on Sandra Cisneros. Academic journal is periodical. Normally it's monthly, sometimes it's like maybe quarterly, and these are articles written by scholars and for scholars. Okay. We can also come down to publication date to narrow down a range, but 2,300 results is not that much, and we can definitely sift through this pretty well. So we can also come down to subject. And let's click on show more. And what this will do is will bring up a number of sort of secondary key terms associated with this search. And we can click on these. All of these numbers in the parentheses are the or like the hit results that would have the combination of Sandra Cisneros and like anthropology. This is a good strategy to figure out, maybe to zero in a little bit closer on what you are hoping for. So let's click on a couple of these. Let's say folklore. That'd be a good one. And we'll take a look. Alright, so folklore. This would provide some insight and research into various aspects of folklore within the writing of Sandra Cisneros or similar. So Cisneros may be just mentioned in some of these. Okay, so that is the basic introduction of how to navigate Jstor. And in another video, I will go over the advanced search.